Hello, how are you doing? Welcome to Ogo Hilary's page. Do it under day. I'm so excited to be with you. Thank you so much for tuning in. In case you are tuning for the first time, my name is Ogo Hilary. I'm a social media expert and online business coach. I help business owners, network marketers, and entrepreneurs to be able to know their targeted market and prospect using an online business tools that can be used in all the social media platforms to be able to generate leads and make more sales. I also assist investors. I can send some information if you're interested in any of my online professional tools that will help you with the skill sets you need to know about attraction marketing. Thank you so much for tuning in. Welcome to my page. Today I'll be sharing a topic. The title of my topic is How to Build a High Performance Organization. How to Build a High Performance Organization, Part 2. What does it take to build a high performance organization? I mean a high performance organization that is filled with the kind of performance you want to have, the kind of people you want to show up. The top earners, the people that are out there crushing it. People that are out there making things happen. We all agree with me that you cannot build a high performance business without a strong team. As an entrepreneur, you are committed to that next level. You are a higher level entrepreneur. You are a higher level entrepreneur. A little more sophisticated. When we elevate our game, when we are committed to excellence, we are already shown up. We are already in the way of excellence. I mean, when we elevate our game, we are already shown up. We are already in the way to excellence. When we hold ourselves to higher standards, what happens is that we stand to walk the walk like a true leader. That's it. That's when we hold ourselves to. We start to walk the walk like a true leader, like a true professional. We are not going to accept what just come our way. And sometimes it's not. It's true. Sometimes you put a maximum effort and maybe you get just a little result. That's fine. We're talking about elevating your level of excellence by keeping high standard for yourself. And we're talking about impossible standard. If we elevate our game, everybody is going to rise to that level. If we hold ourselves down, they are going to say that is the baseline. That is why it is important, so important that in the industry, each and every one of us need to hold ourselves as a professional. We need to hold ourselves and hold this industry to higher standard. It doesn't mean we go around and be as a dictator or go around judging other people. We are going to respect them for who they are and what they are. But we are going to serve them in the capacity of being that beacon of light. I mean that beacon. We are going to serve them in the capacity of being that beacon of light that they can follow to that next level. If we are going to say, come with me. And they are going to respect you because you are encouraging them. They will see you as a beacon of light to follow. They will be encouraged. Some will follow you. Some won't follow you. But that is okay. Wish them well and hope the best for them. A commitment to something bigger than yourself, being a part of something so much bigger. The point is that whether you are building a business or a networking business, it's not only about our financial freedom. No. You are committed to something bigger than the result. It's not only about our financial freedom or our time freedom. It's not only about our results. It's about doing something even bigger than the result. The result is the pre-sum of the byproduct for commitment to something bigger. Same because we show up every day where we are actually making impact in the lives of people. Same because we show up, we have a high standard for ourselves. We do that little effort every single day and we play that thinking game to win. We do that to win because when you get the ball rolling in the beginning, I know when you get the ball rolling in the beginning, the results might not be coming as expected. Maybe you are not seeing the high performance level. Maybe you are not beating that team yet. But when you have that internal intention, when it's inside your heart, inside your mind, when it comes through every word you speak and every action you perform on any daily basis, every behavior you've carried out, when you're saying to yourself, there is something bigger than myself, people pick up on that. They get it, they feel it. And it has come to a place of authenticity. Brother and sister, you are going to freaking have an amazing business that you are building. Not only your business will be big and successful, it will also be sustainable. You'll be super proud about your business. The last thing is that it is not all about doing an extra effort. And it's not all about elevating your game to have high standards for yourself. It's not all about just playing for something bigger than yourself. It's also about being actually passionately committed to the process. Yes. You have to be committed to the process. That's it. It's not just all about doing an extra effort. And it's not all about elevating your game to have a high standard for yourself. It's not all about just playing for something bigger than yourself. It's also about being actually passionate, committed to the process, not just the end result. We have to be committed to the execution of the process in every single time. Not just doing it for the sake of doing it. Not just going through the motion. You have to be passionate in executing the process. We should put that attitude in everything we do, whether it's going to Facebook Live, email, Zoom chats with somebody, whether you're making a post, whatever we decide to do when it comes to our business and even our lives. We will say that, man, I'm committed to the process. I just love the fact that I come out here and do this. We should sort of detach ourselves from all sorts of desire to know if it's actually going to pay off. Desire to have a return on all the performance that we go right through. We should not detach ourselves from expectation, some sort of investment. If we can get away from that, all performance will go right through the roof. Guess what? The people we pull over are going to be high caliber of people. They are going to be attracted to the process, and you will have a strong influence over them. They are going to see you eventually as a leader and a solution for their business. That is it. But we must be committed to the process, not the end result. We have to be passionate with the process, not the end result. We have to be passionate in executing the process, not the end result. We should detach ourselves from expectation. We should be committed we should focus on the process. We should love the process. We should show passion on the process. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you're interested in learning this skill set, because remember, if you lack this skill set, you can't be able to build a high performance organization. So if you're interested in acquiring this skill set, you can click on the link below. Obtain your name and email to get your 10 days bootcamp. You can also visit my business page. Click on the Learn More. Obtain your name and email to get your 10 days bootcamp. You can also visit my YouTube channel. Click on the link below. Obtain. You can also get your 10 days free bootcamp. Thank you so much for tuning in. God bless you. Stay tuned for another day.